Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Georgia's UST database. So the first resource I want to share is a blog post on Convenience Talk. And what it is it lists all the UST databases and they're ordered by state. So if I go down to Georgia and I click on this link, it will take me to the site, the Environmental Protection Division. And if you go down the page, you'll see some related files. And so I downloaded this file, which is the facility contact information. And you can see it was revised in October 2019. And if I open up this file using Google Docs, you can see there's lots of information, including the location name, the contact information, including the email address, which is really unique. You normally don't find the email address within the file. And then also the mailing address, and then the company name as well. That's it for Georgia. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.